learners, this is Pushkala and we are going to see what is bag of words in text processing. So let's first start. So we'll be going on with a few sentences. So let's assume this is my sentence 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's say how bag of words work. Let's say you're working with a text data sets. Text data set is not as easy as numerical data set. While going for text classification and everything, you cannot directly process text in some algorithms. So in that case, you will have to convert this text into numerical form. So to convert this text data, to convert this for text into features, that is numerical features, how can we do that is, we'll find out each of the unique words in this sentence. So each of the unique words is dog, bites, man, and there is no unique words here, and here it's eats and meat. And in the last sentence, I have food as the unique word. We have these many unique words in these 4 sentences. And what we are going will be how we will be converting this particular sentence into a numerical data is. These are my independent features now. From this, I'm gonna say dog, I have the occurrence of 1 time, bites 1 time, man's 1 time, and all of these words is not present in this particular data. So I'll be giving the count here. So man bites dog. So 1, 1, 1, and all of the other is 0. And again, dog is 1, other 2 is 0, eats, meat is 1, 1, and here this is 0. And it doesn't have dog or bites, it has man, eats, meat is 0, and food is 1. So this is how we convert this textual text into numerical features. So for the algorithms that doesn't support text directly, you can convert this into a numerical features and feed it into the computer. So that is how it does. So let's say I have dog here 1 more time. In this sentence, I have dog here 1 more time. So this feature will turn out to be true. That is how bag of words work. It will write down the number of count the particular word occurs in that sentence. So this is bag of words, and for a Python implementation, to implement this bag of words, we have some function called count vectorizer. We'll be using this count vectorizer function to convert these sentences into a numerical feature. So let's start. I'll be going into the Jupyter notebook and let's import the necessary libraries. So I'll have only one, I need only one library here from feature extraction dot text. Import count vectorizer. This is the library I need. So from sklearn feature extraction dot text, I'm importing count vectorizer. So let's say we have this document text, and I'll be writing all of that text inside. Dog bites and bites dog. So I have done that. So we have all the 4 sentences here, and we don't have any special characters or punctuations or uppercases to remove. I have specifically done the text like that. If not, you will have to go through some pre-processing steps before going into the count vectorizer. So let's start. Let's say count vectorizer is C. Vectorizer. Okay. So count vectorizer, what I'm going to use is, I'm going to call this function. So count vectorizer is called. Now I'm going to use bag of words. BOW. In this bag of words, I'm going to use this count vectorizer function. And inside that, gonna say fit and transform. This is practically a pre-processing step. So I'm asking the system to learn. That is fit. Asking the system to learn and then transform it into a numerical function. So this is what fit and transform function does, and I'm gonna use text inside. And when I print it, see what happens. Okay, yeah. So it doesn't print anything much, it does it. So what we are going to do is, I'm gonna call a function called vocabulary. That has to be done with the count vectorizer. Vocabulary function. See, I have about 6 features: dog, bites, man, eat, food. This is what we have seen in this representation as well. So we have about 6 features, and let's see how the bag of word representation is actually taken place. So for the first sentence, dog bites man, what is the bag of words representation? For this, I can use this and 0. It doesn't do much, so I'm gonna convert this into an array. It is displaying an object. Object cannot be viewed, so I'm gonna transform this into an array. That's it. This is for the first word. Where I know bites goes first. Bites is the first feature, dog is the second feature. So go with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me write that representation so it will be easy for you guys to. So first feature is bites. Second feature is dog. Dog. And third feature is eats. And food. Man and meat. This is my features, and the first sentence contains bites, dog, and eats and food is 0 and man is 1. This is how count vectorizer works. So let's go for the second sentence. Or the last one, maybe man eats food. I'll go to the last one. So man eats food, meat. All of them is 1, and other than that, everything else is 0. Let's say here I'm adding one more meat. There are 2 meats in here. I'm running the same thing again. I'll change this to 2. As you can see, we have 2 here because meat has occurred 2 times. Meat is 5 and it has occurred 2 times. So the count vectorizer is counting the number of times that particular text has occurred. So this is bag of words. This is how you implement a bag of words using count vectorizer. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, leave us in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.